Hi guys, my name is Doug. I'm a member of the technical service group at Task Force Tips. In this quick service video, I'm going to show you how to replace the inlet seal for the quick connect inlet of the Crossfire monitor. Not a terribly common service to have to provide, but for the few of you that may have to do that, this video will show you the proper procedure. On the next slide, we'll show you just a couple of things that will be needed to do that. Once you gather those up, we'll meet back here and run through it real quick. Okay, so we're back at the monitor. The service of this is really pretty straightforward. We're going to pull out the old seal. To do that, we're just going to use a seal pick, and we're just going to get in under the very edge of it. It's okay to go ahead and poke it since we're not going to be reusing it, so no concerns of putting a hole in it. So there's the seal we have out. Next thing, if you are replacing the wear strip, go ahead and find the gap in the wear strip in there. And just get the seal pick under one end to get it started and go ahead and pull that out. So we'll set those aside. Now putting these back together, it's important in the order they go in to make sure they function properly. So we have the new wear strip. You'll notice one side has a nice radius on it, whereas the other side is a sharp corner. That radius, and we're going to put the wear strip in first, that radius goes into the waterway. So as you're holding it here, you should see the sharp corner, the radius into the waterway. Just work that into the groove. And the reason the radius goes in first is because there's a matching radius inside the casting that sits against. Now next, and important, the seal for the inlet of the monitor is a cup seal. And it's a cup seal because it has this opening, which creates a cup, essentially. Water pressure gets into that, causes the wings to expand, which makes a seal. So when we put that in, the cup should go into the waterway. So as you're holding it for installation, you should not see that cup. A couple reasons is so the water pressure can get in there and cause it to expand. You also don't want it installed like this, because as you place the monitor onto its quick connect fitting, that fitting could grab that edge and cause it to roll around, which would then create a leak. So by inserting it this way, the proper way, you have a smooth edge. There's nothing for the inlet to grab and roll around. So what we'll do is we'll just tuck that into the gap that's left between the casting and the wear strip. Again, cup facing into the monitor waterway. Just insert that in, making sure it's not rolled over or pinched anywhere. Just run your finger around, make sure it's fully tucked in there. And if you want to, you can take a really light wipe of 100% silicone grease and put it on there. It doesn't need to be gobbed up, just a little bit on the face of it there. That completes the replacement of the inlet seal. If after having performed this service you find you have additional questions, you can find all the contact information for the technical service group on our website at tft.com.